everyone, welcome back to my channel Style Up India. This is me Nisha here and I'm back with another video and I hope you guys all are fine. So in today's video I'm going to share the review of some beauty skincare products, and these products I've got from this Lozera, and Lozera has sent me this huge box of skincare products and I'm really very excited to try them out. So if you guys are interested to know which are the products are and are these products are worth buying and how my experience goes with these products, then keep on watching. So the first product which I've got from Lozera is this face wash, and it has magnetic kaolin clay and apple cider vinegar enriched with mulberry and licorice extract, and I just love this face wash. I've been using this since a month now and I really love the smell, the consistency, how it feels on my face, and after the result of the face wash, it really leaves a healthy, nice glow on the skin. So I just love it. It has also the botanical activities which is really nice on skin. So let me quickly just show you how the consistency and the products looks like and the results after the wash. So this is how the skin looks like after the wash. It makes it soft and supple and leaves the healthy glow. It also restores the skin natural pH balance. It removes all the impurities from the skin without making it dull and dry. So I just love it. The consistency, the smell, and everything is so nice. It is not very heavy on the skin, so that's why I love this face wash. Plus it has very nice ingredient and it has very small and tiny granules in the face wash, so that is very good on the skin. So that's why it is very good to use on everyday basis. So the next product which I have here is this clay mask. It is a magnetic clay mask, mineral rich, and it has written skin recharging. So I'm very excited. I've never tried any such kind of a mask. I always have tried the clay mask but not the magnetic mask. So I'm really very excited to try this. It comes in this box, and let me quickly show you the tub. So the tub looks something like this. It is a plastic tub and it comes with this magnet. So it is actually a magnet. See, it is a magnet. So let me just quickly try this mask. The magnet looks something like this, and you have to apply this with a spatula, but right now I can't find my spatula, so I think I'm going to apply this with my fingers only now. You have to apply this on your dry face and you have to apply a very thick layer of it. So let me see. I don't know if I can apply this with my finger. I wish I had my spatula right now. The mask is very smooth and very easy to apply on the face. So I'm going to keep this for 15 to 20 minutes and then we'll start removing it. So it's been 20 minutes now and my face mask haven't dried up even a little bit, so I guess it's not going to get dried. So I will start removing it with this magnet. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take a tissue paper and just going to hold like this, and I'm going to start removing it. Let's see how it goes. It is coming out. Can you see? Just look at this. It feels very amazing when it's coming out. Wow. This is very amazing experience. This mask is enriched with goodness of minerals and other natural components which helps energize tired and dull skin, combat discoloration and pigmentation, moisturize the skin amply, brighten, nourish and purify the skin as well as remove dead skin cells, fight acne and pimple, remove blackheads, effectively clean the skin, fade acne scars, and promote facial blood circulation, thus helping in healthy skin renewal and brighten out the perfect skin you always dreamed of. Beside having so much benefit, this mask also has the protective power to prevent any further blemishes and skin imperfections. In all, this magical clay mask is a holy grail to your skin can ever expect of. Look at this now, guys. It looks like a volcanic eruption kind of a thing. And it is coming out very quickly now. I'm going to fill this up. I'm not going to take another new one. See how it looks like now. It's looking so cute. And the best part is, now I'm just going to massage this oil into my face. It feels that I have applied lot of minerals, oils, and now I'm going to just massage. Now here comes my favorite part, is that to massage all the oils into my skin, and my skin feels so soft and smooth, and really my skin feels radiant, and it has left a very nice glow on my face. So you don't have to apply any water, tissue paper or anything. You just have to massage it in all the oils into skin, and after that you have to leave the face like that. So after massaging my face till 5 minutes, now I'm going to take this off with the tissue paper because oil is not going off. So I'm just going to take this. I'm just going to tap it on my face like this. So all the excess oil is going to come out. This oil is really nice on our skin, guys. It is full of mineral residues and it is very healthy on our skin. So next product which I have here is this Lozera Pearl White Cream. So I'm going to apply this on my face, and it looks something like this. The cream looks something like this, white in color. So I'm just going to take on my face like this. I'm going to massage it. This is how my skin looks like after the application. It gives such a nice radiant to your skin and makes it radiant instantly. This cream has glutathione, hyaluronic acid, retinol, pearl essence, which act as a superfood to your skin. The best part is it has SPF 15 PA++, which also protects your skin from sun damage. This cream prevents your skin from blemishes and lighten up your scars. So it is very nice to apply as a day cream. You can also apply this as a night cream also. So I just love this cream. All the products are very nice of Lozera. I loved all the 3 products, and I am really happy and satisfied with all the 3 products. It has the botanical goodness, so it is very safe on the skin, and I just love all the 3 products, and I will definitely recommend these products to you guys. You should definitely at least try any one of the products. You will just love it, and then you can go for other products also of Lozera. They have many big range of skincare products, so you can definitely try them out. Link is given in my description box below. Go check them out, and yeah, I shall see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care. I love you all. Bye.